staying close to loved ones is easier than ever. With WhatsApp, you can see smiles, hear voices, and share moments, no matter the distance. Don't worry if technology feels new. We'll take it step by step together. By the end, you'll feel confident and connected, ready to embrace this wonderful way to stay in touch. WhatsApp is a simple app that lets you message, call, and share photos or videos with loved ones, wherever they are. It uses your internet, not your phone plan, and keeps your chats private with end-to-end encryption. WhatsApp is a bridge, connecting you to family and friends, sharing moments, and making you feel close, no matter the distance. In this guide, we are going to make learning WhatsApp an easy and enjoyable experience. I have designed this journey to be completely step-by-step, so you will never feel lost or overwhelmed. We will start with the very basics, right from the beginning, and build your confidence from there. Our first mission will be to get the app onto your phone. I will show you exactly where to find your phone's app store, whether you have an iPhone or an Android device, and how to safely download and install WhatsApp. We will do it together, and you will see just how straightforward it is to get started on your communication adventure. Once WhatsApp is on your phone, we will move on to the next crucial step, setting up your account. This part is all about you. We will walk through the simple process of agreeing to the terms of service and, most importantly, verifying your phone number. This is a key security measure that ensures your account is uniquely tied to you. I'll explain why this is necessary and guide you through entering the verification code you receive. Before you know it, your account will be active and ready to go. You'll be one step closer to connecting with your family and friends in this exciting new way. With your account set up, the real fun begins. We will take a gentle tour of the app itself. I will show you what the main screen looks like and explain what the different icons and buttons do. We'll cover how to find your contacts, how to start a new chat, and how to send your very first message. We will even practice sending a simple hello together. My promise to you is that by the end of this section, you will feel comfortable navigating the basic layout of the app and will be ready to start communicating with the people you care about most. And we won't stop there. This is a complete guide, and my goal is for you to feel fully equipped. We will explore all the wonderful features WhatsApp has to offer, from sending voice messages when you don't feel like typing, to making crystal clear voice and video calls. We will also learn how to create and participate in group chats, which are perfect for keeping the whole family in the loop. Every step of the way, I will be your guide, offering clear instructions and encouragement. So, let's get ready. Your journey to becoming a confident WhatsApp user starts right now. To get WhatsApp, we first need to find your phone's app store. On iPhones, look for the blue App Store icon with a white A. On Android phones, search for the colorful triangle, Google Play Store. Take your time. Finding the right icon is a big first step. Once you spot it, you're ready to download WhatsApp and connect with loved ones. Open your phone's App Store or Google Play Store. Tap the search bar, usually at the top, and type WhatsApp, letter by letter. If you see WhatsApp Messenger appear, tap it. Look for the green speech bubble logo. You found WhatsApp. Great job! Finding the official WhatsApp app in the store is a big step. Tap Get or Install to begin downloading. You may be asked for a password or confirmation. This is normal. Watch the progress circle fill up. When you see Open, WhatsApp is ready. Congratulations on taking your first step. Open WhatsApp by tapping the green icon on your phone. You'll see a friendly welcome screen. WhatsApp will ask you to review its terms of service and privacy policy. This is just to keep your information safe. Tap Agree and Continue to move forward. You're now ready to set up your account and start connecting with loved ones. After agreeing to the terms, you'll be taken to a new screen to verify your phone number. This step ensures your account is securely tied to you. Select your country, and the dialing code appears automatically. Enter your mobile number carefully. WhatsApp sends a code via SMS. Enter the code to verify your identity. Your account is now active and securely linked. With verification complete, your WhatsApp account is ready. Now let's personalize your profile. Add your name, full, first, or a nickname so friends and family can recognize you. Tap the camera icon to add a profile photo. A smiling, clear picture works best. Once you're happy, tap Done. Your WhatsApp profile is now uniquely yours. Congratulations! You've set up WhatsApp and landed on the chat screen, your new home base for every conversation. At first, it's a blank canvas, ready to fill with chats from family and friends. Each chat will appear here, showing names, message snippets, and times, simple and organized. This screen is the heart of WhatsApp, easy, clear, and ready for your first message. Ready to start your first WhatsApp conversation? Look for the green button at the bottom right of your screen. Tap it to see your contacts, everyone you know who uses WhatsApp. Find a friend or family member, tap their name, and you'll open a private chat window. That's it! You're ready to send your very first message and connect.
Know you've been a good friend.
Finding someone in a long contact list can feel overwhelming, but WhatsApp's search bar makes it easy. Just tap the search bar, type a few letters of a name, and your list instantly filters. No more endless scrolling. Find friends and family in seconds. It's simple, quick, and makes connecting effortless. You've reached a wonderful moment. Your first message. Their name is at the top, and an empty space awaits your words. Tap the text box at the bottom to bring up your keyboard. Type a simple greeting. Hello, how are you today? This message is a digital knock on the door, a warm hello. You've just crafted your first message. Great job! Your message is ready in the text box. Look to the right. See the green send button? With a gentle tap, your words travel instantly to your loved one, no matter where they are. It's a simple act, but a powerful connection. You've just sent your first WhatsApp message, something to be proud of. After you have sent your message and see it appear in your chat bubble, you might notice some tiny check marks appearing next to it. These little symbols are not just for decoration. They are a very helpful feature of WhatsApp that tells you the status of your message. They answer the question, did my message make it? This system provides wonderful peace of mind, as you never have to wonder if your words were lost somewhere in cyberspace. It is a simple, visual way to track your message's journey from your phone to your recipients, and it is very easy to understand once you know what to look for. When you first send your message, you will likely see a single gray check mark appear next to it. This first check mark is your confirmation that the message has been successfully sent from your phone and has reached the WhatsApp servers. Think of it as dropping a letter into the mailbox. You have done your part, and it is now officially in the postal system. Seeing this single gray check mark means you have a good internet connection and your message is on its way. It is the first successful step in the delivery process, all confirmed in less than a second. A moment later, that single gray check mark will likely turn into 2 gray check marks. This is the next important confirmation. 2 gray check marks mean that your message has been successfully delivered to your recipient's phone. The letter has made it all the way from the central post office to their personal mailbox. It does not, however, mean that they have read the message yet. It simply means their phone has received it, and it is waiting for them to open the app and see it. This is a very useful piece of information, as it confirms the message arrived safely. The final stage is when those 2 gray check marks turn into 2 bright blue check marks. This is the ultimate confirmation. It means your recipient has opened your chat and has seen your message. The letter has been taken out of the mailbox and read. Now, it is important to be patient. People are often busy and may not read messages immediately. Seeing 2 gray check marks is a perfectly good place to be. Understanding this checkmark system removes all the guesswork from sending messages. You now know exactly how to track your message's journey from sent to delivered to read, making you an even more confident WhatsApp user. Sometimes, nothing beats hearing a loved one's voice. WhatsApp makes voice calls easy and free, using your internet connection instead of your phone minutes. Just open a chat, tap the telephone icon at the top right, and your call begins. No numbers to dial, no extra charges, even for international calls. When your loved one answers, talk as you normally would. The call quality is often crystal clear. End the call by tapping the red End Call button. That's it. You've just made a WhatsApp voice call connecting you instantly wherever you are. Try it now and experience the warmth of a real conversation. Seeing a face makes any conversation more special. WhatsApp's video call feature lets you connect face-to-face no matter the distance. Open a chat, tap the video camera icon at the top right, and your call starts. You'll see yourself first, then your loved one when they answer. Share smiles, laughter, and moments in real time. It's the next best thing to being together. End the call with the red button, just like a voice call. With both voice and video calls, you have two powerful ways to stay close to those who matter most. Give it a try and bring your conversations to life. Need to talk to several people at once? Group chats make it easy. Tap the new chat icon, then select New Group. Choose your contacts, give the group a name, and tap Create. Now, any message you send reaches everyone in the group. Perfect for family updates, planning, or sharing photos. Each member can reply, making it a lively shared conversation. Group chats keep everyone connected and in the loop, no matter where they are. You're now the hub of your family or friends' communication. Start a group chat and bring everyone together. Privacy matters. WhatsApp uses end-to-end encryption, meaning only you and the person you're chatting with can read your messages or see your calls. Think of it as a sealed envelope. No one else, not even WhatsApp, can open it. This protection is automatic and always on, for every chat and call. Share photos, messages, and moments with confidence. They're for your eyes only. Your conversations are safe, private, and secure. Enjoy connecting, knowing your privacy is always protected. WhatsApp puts you in charge of your privacy. Decide who sees your last seen status, profile photo, and about info. Everyone, just your contacts or no one at all. You can also control who adds you to group chats, keeping unwanted invites away. Adjust these settings anytime for comfort and peace of mind. WhatsApp empowers you to share only what you want, with whom you want. You're the master of your account and your experience. Set your preferences and enjoy connecting on your own terms. Take a moment to reflect on your journey. What once felt daunting is now a triumph. You've learned to use WhatsApp, connect with loved ones, and protect your privacy. You're not just a user, but a master of your digital world. Be proud of every step. This is only the beginning of new connections ahead. Your WhatsApp journey is just beginning. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Make it part of your daily routine. Send a message, share a photo, or make a quick call. Don't hesitate to ask family or friends for help. They'll be happy to assist. Be patient, stay curious, and enjoy connecting with those you love. You now hold in your hands a remarkable tool. It is more than just an application, it is a key that opens a window into the daily lives of your family and friends. With this key, you can pull your world a little closer. Be there for the singing of happy birthday to a grandchild across the country. These moments make up a life rich with love and connection. Technology can be a source of warmth, joy, and togetherness. This is a beautiful new chapter in your life. Happy chatting!